Assalamu alaikum. The title of our lesson is Sexual Reproduction in Birds.
Before you start, please read and follow these instructions. Please prepare your science worksheet book, a notebook to take notes, and a pencil. At the end of this video, you will be able to establish a relationship between the incubation period and the activity of the bird after hatching. From the previous video you learned that as the size of the egg increases, the incubation period increases. For example, the incubation period of a chicken's egg is 21 days, while the incubation period of an ostrich egg is 42 days. Now please open your booklet on Worksheet 5 Part 2. Let's solve the second problem. Our problem is, does the incubation period affect the activity of the bird after hatching? In order to solve this problem, we must collect the data about the two factors, incubation period and the activity of the bird. So we prepare a calendar for the incubation period of each bird. And we observe the activity or the state of every young of these birds. When all the data is collected, now it's time to analyze this data. So, as we did in the previous problem, the incubation period of a chicken is 21 days and that of the killdeer is 18 days. However, the incubation period
Of the meadowlark
is 13 days. Now let's observe the young of the chicken and the killdeer. Are they able to walk? Are they able to eat alone? Yes, they are. But look at the young
of the meadowlark
lark. It's not able to walk or even to eat alone. So, the young of the chicken and the killdeer are active at birth. However,
that of the meadowlark
is not active at birth. So, as a result, the bird that has the shortest incubation period will have an inactive young at birth. However, the bird that has the longest incubation period will have an active young at birth. At the end, we must draw out a conclusion. So, what did you conclude? We conclude that as the incubation period increases, the activity of the young at birth increases. Now please pause the video and solve numbers 1, 2, and 3. Now check your answers. Number 1. How long is the incubation period of a chicken? 21 days. A killdeer? 18 days.
a meadowlark
13 days. Number 2. Compare how active these three birds are when they hatch. The chicken and the killdeer young are active after hatching, while
the
the
meadowlark
young is not active after hatching. Number 3. Establish a relationship between the incubation period and the activity of the bird after hatching. As the incubation period increases, the activity of the bird after hatching increases. Now let's remember how to compare between two factors. Don't forget to write the values and the units if they exist. Use one of the comparison terms, greater than, less than, or equal to, when the values exist. For example, compare the incubation period of a hen's egg to that of an ostrich's egg. The incubation period of a hen's egg is 21 days, less than that of an ostrich's egg, which is 42 days. Thank you.